Welcome to IA. Important information for those who are finding difficult to receive ads on their IDs. These are some important guidelines which need to be followed by you if you want to receive ads on your ID. First, those finding difficult to open IA or ads not coming, do these things. First, go in Google and update your Chrome. Go into Chrome. Second, go into Chrome and clear the history. Third, delete unnecessary apps that are downloaded on your mobile as it is occupying more spaces. Fourth, when logging in IA, there are two options. Sign in with Google, click on that, then just type registered mail ID. No need of typing passwords. Ad will start automatically. Or sign it with Google. Sign it with Jar Lifestyle. Type your ID and password, ads will start. Most important, after ads are completed, after pressing get earning, see on the left side top 3 lines are seen. Click on that and go to log out, and then again small box will appear, then click again log out. Daily follow this procedure since many times we don't log out, and that's the reason the ads are not seen on your IDs. Now ads have started to come and many people are receiving ads, but some IDs ads are not coming. The reason is that ads are coming as per the audience targeted by the advertiser. That is, you may have targeted country, location, age group, gender, time. Targeted time is also targeted. So these are reasons why ads are not coming to you. But don't worry. But if the ads are targeted globally, then everyone will see and receive ads. Be patient and watch your ad daily. Most important, keep your IDs active. If your ID is inactive, then you will find difficult to receive paid ads. The leaders cannot help you if you don't receive paid ads since your ID is inactive. There are chances the referral that you got during the promotion and test period may also be removed if your ID is inactive. So it is a request to everyone to see the free IDs, the free ads, and keep your ID active. So daily login ID, see the free ID ads daily and keep your ID active. Thank you.